What is going on, you guys? It's Andrew back with another video. Today we are taking a look at the New Balance 990 V6 Baklava. Now that's not just the name of a delicious dessert, it's also the name of the first colorway in the Action Bronson New Balance collaborations. Getting right into the unboxing here, you can see you've got a gray New Balance box. On the inside you've got some what looked like blue reflective material, but we'll get into that later. Taking a look at the shoe, you've got blue on the bottoms, brown suede, brown 3M, neon green mesh, some forest green and gray mesh, as well as some standard gray silver 3M with some hits of purple and orange on the back heel. You've got Baklava written on the tongue and the insoles there. Incredible suede quality on the uppers, and the bottoms even have a little bit of icy blue in them. Nice little contrast to the solid colors throughout the rest. The fuel cell system written there on the bottom, I had a hard time reading that, I guess. Now, taking a look at the QR code, we scan that and it takes us to his website thanking us for the support. They are preparing and shipping orders, so if you haven't gotten yours yet and you were lucky enough to get them like me, just be patient. Now, this is the first time on this channel I've ever deconstructed the lid of a sneaker box to see it in nice detail, and it actually looks like we've got a whole mirror on the inside of this box there, so you can see the underside of the light box that I use to record these unboxing videos. You can see my hand waving there. This is an incredibly cool detail. I don't really know the significance of it, but if you guys want an in-depth review, let me know. For the remainder of this, I decided I have to throw in those magenta and purple laces, and I decided let's just lace up the shoe now. So they will come unlaced. That's pretty standard with Made in the USA New Balances. So if you guys have a brand new pair, they should not come laced up. But if you have a pair that is used, I wouldn't blame you. Save a little bit of money in the aftermarket. They may come laced up. Now, these laces are not the standard thin white laces. They are pretty heavy duty, a little bit springy, and the shoe overall is incredibly comfortable. Go true to size if you're looking, and until next time, guys, this is Andrew signing off. Peace.